Hello, I'm Safai Jamasifat, one of the developers of this project. I will be showing you around the functionalities and the features of this application. Let's get started. The system has five types of users, which are super admins, administrator, marketing coordinator, marketing manager, student, and a guest. And I will be showing around their roles and the functionalities of them. So let's jump into it. I have included some users and some dummy files in order to ease the presentation process. Let's start with the login system. The login system has a great way to secure the thing, because we have a two-step verification process. In order to show you, I'll have to use the first. Let's try to log in with an administrator account. The password is demo, and I can recover the password from here, which the page can be seen here. If I type in my email, and reset link will be sent to my email. The users require email verification before they are able to log into the system. The email looks like this. Sorry for the cough. Now let's log in using the administrator account. Administrators can manage the whole system. Every user, when they log in, they're greeted with this dashboard which contains the report. Only the students cannot see the reports. Every other roles can see this dashboard as default. Administrators can create new users from here. This is tracked automatically by the international grid. I'll just create a new user here. Test user, give it an email, a password. Let's give it an email like something like for now I am turning on the two-factor verification. And I'm creating a guest account. As you can see, the user has been added. We can log in using the user for later, and we'll be showing that later. This is the user management page where you can edit the user from here. You can turn on the two-step verification from here, update their password, change their roles, and etc. You can also delete the users and also change the permissions of the users, which is really necessary for this system because it's a permission-based system. You don't have to change the roles in order to give someone the permission to do something. Okay, now the users manage this page is done for. Let's go to the closures page. This page contains the dates, the final dates of the closure date and the final closure dates. As you can see, you can only edit the current academic year, which is 2019. You just select the closure from here to just here. This is the starting point. This is the final closure date, and I choose the faculty. Since I already have this thing already included here, as you can see, let's see what happens. As you can see, the info has been saved. Now the interesting thing about this is, if it already exists, it just updates it. It doesn't create any closure for this. and as always you can edit this from here, which is the same thing. Let's look into the faculty section. Here you can manage the faculties, you can change the individual seats, make the marketing coordinators, maybe check out the details. Administrator doesn't have the permissions to view the details of the faculties, but we'll get to that later. So the thing is, you can edit the seats and the marketing coordinator and the name of the faculties here. And this is the faculty student page where you can add student to the faculties based on this. If you click on here, you will be limited to the student's name of every student. You can just search it here, like if I type in something, it will show something. Okay, and the report section shows the reports. Okay, this goes for the administrator. Sorry for the background noise. Now, one thing I forgot to show you is the two-step verification process. If I when the user logs in, if the two-step verification process is enabled, you will be greeted with this page, which will ask for the code, which is sent via the SMS code to the user's phone. This adds a bleeding edge security feature to this application. Now let's just move on. Now we will see what the marketing coordinator can do. You see, I'm logging in as marketing coordinator. As I said, it was pre-made, so nothing to worry about. As always, I said that everyone except the students can view the reports. Let's go to the submissions. Clearly, there was more submissions done by multiple students, but the thing is, this marketing coordinator does not belong, cannot see the other submissions on other faculties. What he can do is he can view the submissions with the online document viewer right here. This is the document viewer. As you can see, here is the comment section. This is waiting for the comment, and this is showing who has submitted the thing, as you can see. Now, as a marketing coordinator, if I post a comment here, this thing should be approved. As you can see, the comment has been added. As you can see, this logs in the prompt time, and it also prompts you to select it from application. And this is where a marketing coordinator can contact with the students also. The thing is, the students are notified via the email through the system. Okay. That's all he can do, actually. There's nothing else he can do. And the important thing to notice here that we can view the submissions by the academic years. I can view the previous submissions. The thing is, 2018 didn't have any submissions, so we have nothing to show for now. Okay, now let's go to the marketing manager account. Signed in, showing the reports. As you can see, this is the selected submission section. This is where marketing managers can view the selected submissions. Okay. As per stated in our project criteria, marketing manager should not be able to view the selected documents. They can only download the submissions. These submissions were selected. The process I showed you earlier, how the selection is done. Let's download the submission. When I download the submission, it gives me a zip file. The zip file contains all the student names. I submit it. I'm sorry. Okay, this is all I can do. Now let's go to the student account. This is the student account. Okay, if I go to the submission sector, I am greeted with this submission form. I can submit here, and both the student and the marketing coordinator of this faculty will be notified with this email. As you can see, it has a link. It has a link to the direct link to the submissions. If I click on it, I can quickly view it. As you can see, it was already commented. Okay. Now I'm going to show you uploading process. I'm just going to drag this picture to this box, and you can see the preview. And when I click create, it saves the file and sends this email. As you can see, it has a waiting status. I can view the submissions, and this is waiting for comments. No comments has been made. Well, and that's what a student can do. Now, we had created a guest account previously. Let's visit that to see what a guest can do. I'm sorry, I must have lost the password. If I tap on forward password, it's gonna send me an email. I'm gonna paste my mail, receive mail. User is not okay because we deleted the user. Nice. Now for the expired submissions. This is a marketing coordinator record which is associated with histories. Okay, as you can see, his faculty, Shipusinha's faculty, has one expired status. Let us see why is it expired. The thing is, a comment is never made in this on this thing. If an article is expired, the comment box is automatically disappeared, and as you can see, it was uploaded at the January of 28th, but no one made a comment, so it became expired. Okay, one thing I forgot to show you, the thing is the aesthetic customization features of this project. You can choose from different styles from this menu, and it will be saved automatically. This is done on front end, so this will not put a strain on the database or the server. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you next time. Thank you.